Ooh, here we go. Let's take the wrapper off. What's inside? Look at this glossy red. Wowza, Caran d'Ache. Very nice. Oh, what have we got? A little, I don't know. Not interested in that. Let's get the colors. The colors here, guys. What is this? Oh, is there like little stickers of the stuff they were? Oh well. Look at these. Look at these. Now, what am I actually going to draw of them? Let's see what they look like. I just thought, let's try on black. I don't know. I've never seen anyone use them on black. Well, you know, it's just a green. I'm not that excited yet. Let's try another bright color, this yellow. Oh, yeah, maybe you just got to press a little bit hard. Oh, that's nice. All right, it's time to get my sketchbook out because the reason I actually bought these was actually for using in my sketchbook. So, just to do on top of the other stuff, on top of the mixed media, just do some little bits on top. Okay, so I've been doing this thing where I draw what my subscribers ask me to, whatever that might happen to be. So this one from Hyper Piper is going to be a koi fish, or however you say it. There's some little pandas over there that I'm doing for someone else, but... Right. Okay, don't ask me why I'm starting with the background, okay? I don't know. It seemed less intimidating than the actual picture. Look how blue this is. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. This is so fun. I feel like a child again. I'm just gonna, they've got so many different nice shades of blue. I'm just gonna sort of roughly draw out a wee outline. Man, this time lapse is going pretty quick. I even slowed it down. Okay, please, guys, this is my first proper video, so be kind, okay? It's a bit scribbly looking, though. I know. The magic wand will fix it. Let's try, because you can use them with water. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Is it just, that actually looks like real water? Okay, I didn't buy them to use like that. Okay, I realized I probably should have put some line work in before because now everything's really wet. But I'm too impatient. I just want to do it all right now. So let's see what happened. I'll probably ruin my pen. Just working on the little fin. So initially, I'm pretty excited about these crazy expensive crayons from Caran d'Ache. They're just a lot of fun. I actually want to use them without water, but is it weird? I kind of feel like I'm cheating if I use them with water. Or maybe it's slightly pointless because I have watercolors anyway. You just sneezed on my work, Marla. Oh, but you're so cute, it's okay. Right, let's just test out some of the actual colors on the fish now. Oh, here we go. Look at, when it goes in the water, it goes so creamy and rich. Oh, look, spot. If you're still watching, if there's any way you could like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Well, here I am, cheating again, putting it in the water. Well, it's not cheating, you're technically allowed to do that, but I just wasn't buying them for this reason, but I can't help it. Okay, it's time to actually get some orange on. Oh, shit. Look, the black's still wet. And oh, no. It's all going to start mixing in together. Yikes. It's just turning into a big muddy mess. I don't even know how to fix it. This is obviously my first ever time using these crayons. And look at this disaster at the front here. How am I going to fix it? I'm going to find a way, I'm telling you. Right, more water. Water makes everything better, right? I don't know. I'm probably going to accidentally make a brown fish, and I'm trying to make an orange, white, and black spotty fish. Hey, do you have any suggestions of what you want me to draw next? Pretty much as long as it's a cute animal or critter of some kind, I'm keen. Oh, shell. Why is this video taking so long? Hurry up and wrap it up, would you? Are you even still here, anybody? Well, there we go. That's pretty much the finished thing. You know, it's not my best work, but it's my first ever time using these expensive crayons, and I love them!